Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like this camera view. Yeah, because we're filming for YouTube, I wanted it to be a little bit higher. If I put it on the left window, it's going to be like this this IG type of view, so I decided to put it on the glass roof. Okay, so let's talk about the driving modes. You have the range mode. Let me brake here. Okay, the car is very wide. It's really a wide car. I wanted to say that. So I am now in range mode, and it tells me it softens the suspension, and I have like 407 kilometers left. It would be 463, but I cannot drive more than 100 kilometers. It says max range 100 kilometers. So when I put it into neutral, it calculates down to 380 kilometers, because it gives me a little bit more power, a little bit more yeah, what can I say, a little bit more Porsche experience, let's say. Okay, very nice drive, very nice drive, really. I just had to let the car pass because I don't want to interrupt anyone going to work. Okay, nobody should be here. Good. It's funny, this shifter is funny. Okay, normal mode, then sport mode. It hardens the suspension, but nothing happens really. I think it's just hardening the suspension, and yeah, that's everything it does. It gives you maybe a little bit more power, maybe a little bit more aggressive throttle response, but that's it. Okay, let's wait for the car there to pass by so we can do a launch control. All right, so the next thing, and the most important thing, is to show you the experience, launch control experience. I'm really happy to got this car. I hope you enjoy this video, man, because I really do. Okay, we are in Sport Plus mode. You hear the sound. The road is a little bit wet, so as I said before, I'm not doing anything. I didn't turn off the Porsche stability control, nothing. I'm just sitting here holding the brake on with the left foot, right foot on the gas, launch control activated, and now full step. Woo! That's fucking incredible. Holy shit. Oh my god, I'm getting a laugh flash. That is incredible. God, the car is wide. It's really a wide car. But you already feel, as soon as you put the car in Sport Plus mode, you already feel the difference in turning the wheel. Maybe I'm just imagining it to harden the wheel, because I'm not really sure. It is a little bit more aggressive, of course, because the suspension is turned to Sport Plus. But other than that, I think it's very interesting. I have to do that again. I'm so sorry, I have to do it again, because it's a very interesting experience. It gives you the full 571 horsepower and 680 Newton meters of torque. So again, launch control activated. Let's go! Woo! Oh. Oh my god, that's incredible. I feel like a child. Hey, that's incredible, people. I hope the camera is still running. Don't do this. I'm going to hide my phone. It's still running, but that's incredible. Now I think we have some corners to drive. It's wet. It's a 4MATIC. It's a 4S, so it has all-wheel drive. There is no reason to drift. Of course I would do it, but let's do it with other cars. This isn't right. It's not 50. It's an you can drive 80 here, but let's turn here. Pop. And let's accelerate again. Whoa. Holy shit. That's crazy. You saw that? I stepped fully on the gas, expecting it maybe to oversteer a little bit, but no oversteer at all. All four tires gripped like crazy. It almost punched me out of the corner. I really have to tell you, it's a very, very interesting drive, this car. I really mean it. Let's go back again. You saw that? A little bit of oversteer when doing this.